not where the other one is small, but a little bigger, the prices again. These pieces have young every year. There are monkeys that take 3 years to have a young. Which one is that monkey? Spider-Man. They reproduce slower.
Into NASCAR.
The only way they can make NASCAR
He even goes to
exciting is to find out how close
that they have to try and not hit it 500 miles an hour.
And then going around and around and around.
Oh, it's how loud. Wouldn't you like that? It's so very big.
No.
Are those only in like Africa? Where are animals?
They put like.
I saw that.
Good job.
I can't believe you did.
Can I grab him?
Hey, you want to lose a finger? They look like they're like nothing, like them, like it's piece of wood, like they. But you will surprise how active them is.
Is that right?
Yes.
I can't believe you
Don't
saw
go
that.
too close to it. Banana tail is out of 10.
In San Francisco, Celebamos. What do you think that means? Celebamos.
Representative of the wetlands. So this place, no, we're going in another place here. Very nice dance and lots of nice view in here. El pico iris, aquel que vimos allá era el grande. ¿De dónde vienen?
Here's the check-in. That's the bag check.
Is it? Yeah.
Para llegarle tienen que ir un senderito o por la playa.
Okay, this is the Caribbean Sea right here. Just on the other side of where the river is that we stayed at. It's really dirty and rough.
That's the street too.
Is he on his way down?
There's our slot, he's moving.
Yeah, it's not so big. The hair is very long hair. Very coarse hair.
What's that?
What the hell is that?
Yeah. Wow. That's the, so we haven't seen this one, right?
The body is black and the head is white.
The white-faced monkey.
Oh no, there's more up there.
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
He's quick, huh?
Yep.
Actually, looks like there might be some.
No, hay avión. Vale que te vi. Hay
He's
avión.
going.
Yeah.
Like at the top.
Estoy de acuerdo con él.
Where?
At the top of that, it looks like there's some things with some.
¿Se lo ven todos, chicos?
Look, that's got a baby hanging on.
So remember, this is a bird that fish and they go diving. So the fish don't have oil, so they come out, get too heavy when they put too much time in the water. And they come out to dry off.
That one over there too that just flew away or over that?
I don't know. It's a cool looking heron.
Oh, there's more back there. Look, there's another bird back there.
That's a different type of bird.
There's two birds there. One is the green heron, and the other one is a gallinule.
What about that one over there?
I don't know what that one is.
Gallinule, very colorful.
What's this one right up here?
Jacana,
Checking.
northern jacana.
He's waiting for a fish to come over.
Another bird right there.
Yeah.
They must be drinking water right now or something.
Yeah, kind of yellow bill with
Yellow
red
bill.
on
Oh, that's warm.
Is the
Let you go touch the branch, honey.
female iguana. This is a female. It's small.
How do they ever reproduce? You only see like one at a time.
Iguana they mate only one time per year.
Having a party.
Do they do that because they're mad?
Maybe some other male coming in this family. That is a territorial call. In the morning,
This is a green ibis.
they're
Oh, I
more
see.
because all male is marking the territory. Every bird,
Yeah.
they don't fly for distance because they have too much weight. This is the male.
One more time.
Who's Kent trying to sneak up on an iguana? It's a little crocodile.
Yeah, I saw some.